Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Friends, welcome back to my channel. In my last video I demonstrated how we can install ChipMax2 in our computer, and today we will see how we can use its IC tester function. We can use this tester to test TTL ICs, CMOS ICs. I connected power supply here, USB cable here, and I connected this USB cable to my computer. Let's power it on. It is now power on, and I will open MaxLoader, this software for this programmer. It is a IC programmer and IC tester. So it is now online. To test any TTL CMOS ICs, we have a test socket here. We can connect up to 48 pins IC, dip ICs. Lift this lock upside and we will install the ICs here. If we are using 8 pin, the cut will in this side. 24 pin, okay, let me connect any one IC. For example, it is 74LS153. We will see this index mark, the cut mark. Cut mark will in this way. This is cut pin number 1. The last pin must be in the last slot here. It is safety. Lock it. Now come to software. Here is test, IC test. Select test, auto find and close. We can also create our own vector, which I will cover in upcoming video. So we will select. If we know the number 74LS153, it is here. Locate the IC and load. Then select test. IC test pass. If there is something wrong with the IC, it will give fail. Okay, let's check some other IC. Remove it. It is 151. Always take care for the pins. If any pin is outside, it will not perform a good test. It will fail to test. Place it properly. All pins must be installed properly. Select 74LS151. It is here. Load. Test. This IC fail. This IC is bad. Okay, let's check this IC. 74LS132. Here is 132. Load. Test. Yes, IC test pass. Let's check from this packet. 54164. 54164. Select 164. Load. Test. IC test pass. In this way we can test ICs, and we will see how we can test CMOS ICs, because this time we are testing TTL ICs. I hope this video is informative. If it is informative, hit the like button. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.